In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify Beginner Tutorial. Duplicate a product in Shopify. Adding a similar product shouldn't take double the work, and duplicating is the fastest way to build out your catalog without starting from scratch every time. I'll walk you through exactly how to do it and why each click matters, so you can move quickly with confidence. First, open your Shopify admin and head to your products list. Click on a product you've already set up that's similar to the one you want to create. Using a well-built item as your starting point helps you carry over the structure, details, and organization that you've already dialed in, saving you time and keeping your store consistent. In the top right corner of the product page, click Duplicate. That's the shortcut that tells Shopify to copy the essentials for you. This feature is great because it preserves the framework, things like the description layout, pricing, and options, so you aren't rebuilding the same details again. Next, give your new product a clear name. Keep it descriptive so you can spot it easily later. Then, check the option to duplicate as a draft. This is important. Making it a draft ensures the new product doesn't go live on your storefront until you've had a chance to swap out photos and update any text. It's a safe workspace where you can make edits without worrying about customers seeing an unfinished page. You'll also see options for what to bring over. Choose exactly what you need. If the new item is simply a different color of the same product, keep variants and images checked. That way, your size or style options and your image gallery come along for the ride, and you won't have to rebuild them from scratch. If you're changing more than just color, you can uncheck what you don't need. But for most quick variations, copying variants and images is a huge time saver. Shopify will take you straight into the editor for your new draft product. Now, make the quick swaps. For example, change any navy text to white wherever it appears in the title and description, so everything reads correctly. Then upload your new photo that matches the color or variation you're adding. Because you duplicated the original, the rest of the product structure is already in place, making these edits fast and clean. When you're done, hit save. That's it. You've just added a second product in seconds. Work smarter, not harder. Your store is growing fast.